How are you, my dear children? Want to hear a story? Today I am telling you the story of the honest woodcutter. Once there lived a woodcutter. One day he was cutting the branch on the bank of a river. His axe fell down into the river. He could not take his axe out. He sat on the bank and started crying. River goddess appeared. She asked the reason of his crying. The woodcutter told the whole story. River goddess went into the water and brought a golden axe. The woodcutter did not take it. River goddess again went into the water and brought a silver axe. The woodcutter did not take it too. Then she brought an iron axe. The woodcutter took it happily. River goddess was happy with his honesty. She gave him all the three axes. Okay, see you again with a new story. Bye.